If you want your white car to shine brighter than ever before, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you the best wax for white cars in 2025. Products that enhance your car's glow, protect against fading, and keep your paint looking brand new. We've carefully selected the top 5 waxes based on shine quality, ease of use, durability, and customer satisfaction. All the product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Now, let's get started. Number 1, Car Guys Liquid Wax. If you're looking for long-lasting protection and a mirror-like shine, this wax is a game changer. You only need to apply it once or twice a year. That's how durable it is. Thanks to its advanced polymer additives, this wax provides superior protection and shine compared to traditional carnauba or sealant waxes. And the best part, it's super easy to apply and buff off. No professional needed. In minutes, your car's paint will have that deep, crystal clear reflection that turns heads. Made and bottled in the USA, Car Guys guarantees top-tier quality and real customer support if you ever need it. If you want the showroom look without the hassle, this wax is your best friend. Number 2, Car Guys Hybrid Wax Sealant. This product combines the deep gloss of a premium wax with the long-lasting protection of a sealant, all in one bottle. Formulated with advanced nanoscience, it creates a slick surface and a brilliant shine that lasts for months. One of its biggest advantages, it's safe for every surface. Paint, plastic, glass, chrome, even on boats and motorcycles. And unlike traditional waxes, you won't get any white residue or streaks. So if you are after that instant wet look shine with effortless application, the Car Guys Hybrid Wax Sealant is a must-have in 2025. Number 3, Chemical Guys HOL202 White Paint Maintenance Kit. Coming in at number 3, Chemical Guys HOL202 White Paint Maintenance Kit. This kit is specifically designed for white and light colored cars, making it perfect for maintaining that crisp, clean, and bright look. It protects against harmful UV rays, preventing yellowing and fading over time. The formula enhances your car's natural brightness and helps it maintain a pure white shine with every wash. If your white car has started looking dull or chalky, this kit will help you restore its original luster and keep it protected for months. Number 4, Wyka Car Wax for white cars. This unique paste wax uses optical color intensifiers to make cool hues pop and your white paint look more vibrant. It features a 30% Brazilian carnauba shield that creates a powerful UV filtering barrier, preventing fading and yellowing. Plus, its acid rain neutralizer and hydrophobic guard ensure a spotless, streak-free shine, even during bad weather. The wax applies easily with zero residue, and the included sponge and microfiber towel make it a breeze to get a professional-grade finish at home. If you want to protect your car and amplify its depth and glow, the Wyka wax is a perfect choice. Number 5, Turtle Wax Color Magic White. Finally, number 5, Turtle Wax Color Magic White. This is a color-specific wax designed to rejuvenate and enhance white finishes. Its polyurethane-enriched formula restores shine, fills in minor scratches, and gives your car that smooth, glossy finish that lasts up to 25 washes. It's safe for both metallic and clear coat paints, making it great for older cars that need a little love and revival. If your white car's paint has dulled over the years, Turtle Wax Color Magic White can bring it back to life with a clean, reflective finish. So there you have it, the top 5 best waxes for white cars in 2025. All of these products deliver excellent shine, easy application, and unbeatable protection for your white car's paint. Check out the links in the description to get your favorite wax and bring out that stunning showroom glow today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our latest car care product reviews. See you in the next video, and keep that car shining bright.